ornamental flowers everywhere. These plants are with ornamental flowers, or the flowers are the ornaments of the plant. Then what about the leaves? Who is doing all the hard work? In the bud, who is yet to bloom? Nature gives us so many colors, but we are busy in our own minds. Time to look at the nature in a different way and appreciate it the way you want. Time to be meditative. I don't know whether nature finds me or I look for nature everywhere. But yes, there is some connection. I find peace. I find happiness by looking at these buzzing bees and blooming plants. I feel happy when I see nature blooming happily.